Defense Day. Pakistan speech. Assalamu alaikum. Respected guests, fellow citizens, and brave soldiers. Today, we gather to commemorate a pivotal moment in our nation's history. Defense Day, Pakistan. On September 6, 1965, our valiant armed forces defended our motherland against aggression, showcasing unwavering courage and resilience. We pay tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives like Major Aziz Badi and salute the bravery of our soldiers, sailors, and airmen. Their sacrifices will forever be etched in our hearts. In 1965, India's unprovoked attack threatened our sovereignty, but our armed forces stood firm, united, and strong. The nation rallied behind them, demonstrating the unbreakable spirit of Pakistan. Today, we reaffirm our commitment to national defense and unity. We honor the sacrifices of our heroes and vow to continue their legacy. To our brave soldiers, we say, your sacrifices will never go unnoticed. Your valor inspires us to build a stronger Pakistan. To our nation, we say, let us stand united, just as we did in 1965. Let us work together to overcome challenges and build a prosperous Pakistan. Long live Pakistan. Long live our brave armed forces.